Is your 2004-2006 Acura TL key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is quick, easy, and saves you money compared to dealership service. This video will guide you through the entire process. To replace your Acura TL key fob battery, you'll need a CR2032 battery, available for $2 to $5 online or at auto parts stores. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool. Consider prepackaged kits that include everything you need. Optional, gloves to keep the fob clean. Locate the small notch on the side of the key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the notch and carefully pry open the two halves of the fob. Be cautious not to damage the plastic clips or internal circuitry. The CR2032 battery is held in place by a small metal clip. Use the screwdriver to gently lift the battery out. Pay close attention to the battery's orientation with the positive side up before removing it. This is crucial for correct installation. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the polarity is correct with the positive side up. The battery should fit snugly under the metal clip. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Ensure they are securely fastened with no gaps. A properly closed fob helps prevent moisture damage. Test the key fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons from a distance of 20 to 30 feet. This ensures the new battery is working and the fob has proper range. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the contacts are clean and properly aligned. Try reseating the battery. Always dispose of old batteries responsibly at recycling centers to prevent environmental harm and comply with regulations. If your fob continues to malfunction after battery replacement, check the contacts for corrosion or damage that may require cleaning. Keep an eye out for future trends like rechargeable batteries that last longer and smartphone-integrated keyless entry systems that sync with your phone. Some users are upgrading to programmable aftermarket remotes that offer additional features and compatibility with multiple vehicles. By 2040, traditional key fobs may be replaced by digital wallets or biometric access methods like fingerprint recognition for enhanced security.